Looking for the perfect camping chair that won't leave you with a sore back? Well, you're in the right place, because we've tested the top 5 options that actually deliver on comfort and durability. Today, we're counting down the 5 best camping chairs on the market right now, from budget-friendly options to premium picks that offer incredible features. We've personally tested each of these chairs to give you the real deal on what works and what doesn't. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which camping chair deserves a spot in your gear collection. Number 5. Overmont OM-Chair. This one's interesting because it really tries to pack in a lot of features for the price point. The chair is constructed with 600D Oxford fabric paired with a sponge cushion, which does provide decent comfort for shorter sitting sessions. One thing I appreciate about this oversized option is the generous dimensions. It definitely doesn't make you feel cramped like some cheaper camping chairs do. The Overmont boasts a 450-pound weight capacity, which is genuinely impressive, and it comes with a scratch-resistant frame that includes non-slip feet for added stability. You know, during my testing, the chair did feel sturdy enough for most situations, and the multiple storage options are a nice touch. There's mesh pockets, a built-in cooler bag, and a cup holder that's actually deep enough to secure your drink properly. The fully padded backrest and armrests are designed for what they call fatigue relief, and I mean, for casual use, they do the job reasonably well. Now here's where things get a bit tricky with this chair. While it folds down to a compact 7 by 7 by 41 inches and weighs 11.5 pounds, the setup process isn't as smooth as I'd like it to be. I found myself fumbling with the frame a few times before getting it locked into position properly. The adjustable armrests are a cool feature. They slide up and down with a leather collar mechanism, but honestly, they feel a bit loose after repeated adjustments. Number 4. ONETIGRIS CE-ZY5 Tigerblade. This is where we start seeing some interesting design choices. This ultralight camping chair features a unique triangular structure with a central linkage pole that creates a super rigid base using aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum alloy. The engineering is actually pretty clever, and it supports up to 330 pounds despite weighing just 2.9 pounds, which is incredibly lightweight. The setup process is genuinely simple thanks to that central linkage design, and you can have this chair assembled in under a minute once you get the hang of it. The 600D polyester fabric is dirt, water, and scratch resistant, which makes it practical for various outdoor conditions. When folded, it packs down to just 5.9 by 5.1 by 13 inches, making it one of the most portable options we tested. The chair also includes 2 side pockets for storing your phone, snacks, and other small items, which comes in handy when you're out in the wilderness. Now, let's talk about the reality of using this chair day to day. While the triangular structure is innovative and does provide solid stability on flat ground, I noticed some limitations during real-world testing. The seat sits relatively low to the ground at about 11.5 inches, which means getting in and out isn't as easy, especially if you have knee issues or limited mobility. You know, after sitting in this chair for extended periods, I found that the lack of significant padding becomes noticeable. It's definitely more minimalist in terms of comfort compared to traditional camping chairs. 3. Moon Lens Triangle. This is where comfort really starts to shine through. This camping chair has ranked at the top for comfort in several side-by-side field comparisons, and after using it extensively, I can definitely see why. The oversized scoop seat design is genuinely spacious and supportive, rated to hold up to 400 pounds with ease. The chair features high-strength aluminum alloy 7U75 construction, keeping the weight at around 2.7 pounds while maintaining impressive durability. What really sets this chair apart is the seat height. At 11.5 inches, it positions you higher off the ground than many competitors, which makes it much easier to get in and out. The breathable mesh back support is excellent for hot weather camping, allowing air circulation that keeps you cool even during extended sitting sessions. Both sides feature stash pockets that are actually useful for storing essentials within arm's reach. During my testing, the LENCE provided exceptional back support that really stands out in this category. You know, I spent several hours sitting in this chair during a camping trip, and I genuinely didn't experience the usual lower back fatigue that comes with cheaper options. The scoop seat design naturally conforms to your body position, creating a comfortable seating experience that rivals chairs twice its price. The quick-drying fabric is another practical feature. After an unexpected rain shower, the chair dried completely within about 30 minutes. 2. SUNNYFEEL A3008F. This premium option brings some serious features to the table. This heavy-duty camping chair is built with a sturdy steel frame construction that supports up to 300 pounds, and the chair itself weighs 13.4 pounds, which indicates solid, substantial build quality. The double-seam 600 by 300D Oxford cloth fabric is noticeably thicker and more durable than standard camping chair materials. What makes this director-style chair special is the integrated side table, which is genuinely useful for keeping drinks, snacks, or even a small tablet within easy reach. The oversized design provides ample room for larger individuals or anyone who simply prefers not feeling confined while seated. The chair features excellent lumbar support with generous padding throughout the backrest and seat area. During testing, I found the seating position to be perfectly balanced, not too reclined, not too upright, making it ideal for various activities from reading to eating meals. The storage pocket on the side is deep and secure enough to hold larger items like magazines or a water bottle without them falling out when you shift position. You know, the director's style design also means the armrests are at a comfortable height and width, providing genuine support rather than just being there for show. The portability is reasonable considering the features. While it's definitely heavier than ultralight options, it's still manageable for car camping, tailgating, or backyard use. I tested this chair extensively during a week-long camping trip, and it genuinely held up beautifully. Number 1. Romswi Oversized Camping Chair. This chair is an absolute game changer. What immediately sets the Romswi apart is the adjustable elastic strap armrest support system, which allows you to customize the height and angle to perfectly match your body. This innovative feature means you can fine-tune the comfort level in ways that fixed armrest chairs simply cannot match. The heavy-duty construction supports an incredible 450 to 500 pounds depending on the specific model, making it one of the most robust options available. The chair measures 24 by 38.5 by 42 inches, providing genuinely spacious seating that accommodates people of all sizes comfortably. The 600D Oxford fabric is top-quality material that feels premium to the touch while remaining breathable and durable. The padded backrest is substantially thicker than competing models, providing exceptional support that eliminates fatigue even during extended use. What really impressed me during testing was the attention to detail in every aspect of this chair's design. The non-slip feet are larger and more stable than typical camping chair feet, providing rock-solid stability on various terrain types. The built-in cooler bag is insulated and large enough to hold multiple drinks, keeping them cold for hours. The side pockets are strategically placed and reinforced, so they actually hold items securely without stretching out or tearing. The steel frame construction feels absolutely bulletproof. I mean, you can tell immediately when you sit down that this chair is engineered to last. During my testing period, I used this chair almost daily for 3 weeks, and it showed zero signs of wear or degradation. Final thought. There you have it, the 5 best camping chairs available right now. From budget options to premium picks, there's something here for every camper's needs and budget. Let us know in the comments which chair caught your attention, and don't forget to subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews.